Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Yeah, Ian the cameraman here, too.
Hey, boys.
How's it going, Ian?
Pretty good.
Thanks, man. That's good. Alright, boys, we got a random video today. I asked Ian if you would join us. Ian the cameraman lives downstairs. Said, Ian, get your butt up here if you will. Please, thank you. You gotta save the video. We got like a random unboxing video. Obviously, by the title of the video, you guys can tell that we're unboxing some X merch. I had to do it. It's not much. So we're just gonna add these other packages in that I don't know what they are. Know what one is, I think. The other one, no idea. As always, boys, appreciate you for the support. Ian, thanks for being here. I think they like you more than they like me. So that's really good plus for you. Hit them up, boys. Sorry. Hit them up, girls. What do we do? What one do we open first? First off, boys, I think I know what this package is. A little mail day-to-day. Second one, no idea. Ian, you do the honors on this one. We'll get to the X merch.
Oh, okay. I'll take the big one.
You want the big one? Oh, boys, also, real quick, if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. 1,200 thumbs up. Within the day on this video, I'm giving away a real gold rope chain. Real gold. He's got the scissors here, boys. Super cash. We got cameraman Adam coming over in about 20 minutes. We're just gonna have fun with this one. Casual video style, you know? Ian, doing a great job here. I actually have no idea what this is, boys. I know it's not for a video because it's from Canada. What is it?
Oh, okay. It's that.
That's my marijuana. Medicinal. I guess you're not showing that.
That's a huge box, man.
Yeah, I know.
Like, it seems like a lot.
Medicinal use only, boys. Okay, next up, what one's this? I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. I've been so, I think I know what this one is. We'll get into that stuff real soon. Scissors, please. Scissor me.
I'd rather not.
I wasn't even trying to joke there. So you guys know, yeah, this is exactly what this is. Bran gets into a few fads, would you say so? I get into collecting things randomly out of nowhere and I buy a lot of it.
I'd say at any given time you're into at least 2 or 3.
Hopefully some of you guys are stoked on this. I've been really into card collecting it lately. Everyone's into their Pokemon cards, I don't really get it. Oh, we got both of them in here. Oh, let's go. We got 2! I don't really get the Pokemon craze. I mean, there's not a lot of profit margin. You might get a $700 card, PSA 10 in a pack. Or you can get like literally a $100,000 card in a pack of basketball cards. That's what I'm into. Literally, I was watching a live opening the other day. Some dude out of nowhere, just ungraded, pulled a $10,000 card. It's craziness. I hope you guys are into this because I'd love to do some basketball card unboxings on this channel. Check them out, buddy. Oh boy. We got a John Morant right here, PSA 10. If you guys know basketball, that's about a $1,000 card, maybe a little bit more, Canadian. And we got a Tyler Hero basketball card. Both Gem Mint 10s. Look at this. Holy buddy.
Wow, and this one comes with a price tag so on.
Yeah, it's got a price tag. I think that's an American price tag because I paid a little bit more than $330. I also jumped on the hype with this card and paid a little too much, but this guy right here, John Morant, we're rooting for you, bro. There's our unboxing. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked. Just hold those together. Like, is that just like, I know they're pieces of like hard plastic and paper, but it's just a sick thing to have.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're into it.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, $1,500 right there. $1,600 right there. Maybe more. Maybe close to $1,000. Or
Really?
2,000. We're not even sure.
Yeah, you're really going up and down.
Yeah, I just buy them. I don't really look at if it's a good decision. Now, boys, we're getting with the XXXTentacion stuff. You did a new merch drop not too long ago. Actually, like 5 months ago. It takes forever to ship. And you guys know whenever I get XXXTentacion merch, I'm a huge fan. I gotta do an unboxing on it. This is probably one of my favorite shirts that he has put out, or they had put out. This is his postmortem? After he passed away. This was a Skins one, but I thought it was super sick. We also, from this exact same drop we're about to unbox, got this a lot earlier, but we have the XXXTentacion official from his page. You guys love the video. Chain right here, Ian. I know you've never seen anything like this.
Well, I mean, it kind of looked like what my dog used to wear around his neck.
So like a chain, like a collar.
Yeah, pretty much.
I tried it on, bro. This is like X's classic piece, right? And he just rocked it. Somehow it looked sick on him. I tried it in the video and I'm like, boys, I don't want to put this on because I know I'm gonna suck when, like, I look like I'll suck when I wear it. But I was hoping for like a little bit of good feedback in the comments once I put it on. Everyone's like, nah, bro, you look awful. But good pickup. Anyway, boys, I would never wear this. It's just a cool little X merch piece I might hang or frame sometime with something that I get. Get off though. Okay, easy.
And then he can't run away.
Okay, like, joke, man. Joke's over.
Big box.
The biggest merch box I have ever had from a rapper merch thing. Whatever that is. Guess what's in the end? Don't say lightsaber. it's not funny. They should make a lightsaber dildo. I would buy that. That's hilarious. I've been stoked for this. You guys know I got my like separate room in the house for all my collectible things. I have been missing one thing in that collectible room. Two things actually. These two things.
Man, be careful with that. This knife's really sharp.
I feel like Michael Myers. Wasn't he retarded though?
I feel like no, but
Anyway, oh, forgot, can't say that on YouTube. Not funny, guys, sorry, but I'm on the spectrum, so it's fine. You can get in the camera here. Boys, I'm very stoked. I've been waiting 6 months for this. At least 6 months. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! This is gonna look so sick in the room. In this video, we're actually gonna put it in the room. We have a oh man, they put the grip tape on it. We got two things here. XXXTentacion officially released skateboard deck. Look at that gem. It's a revenge tour.
oh shit.
So that's the chain he's wearing, bro. The one that we just showed off. What a gem. I don't think I would skate this one because it just doesn't seem like a nice deck to skate with. I think it's just kind of a crap deck that they printed on. But we're definitely gonna hang this one on the wall, boys. Like I say, always XXXTentacion merch videos. And honestly, suck a big one if you don't like me putting his name in titles of videos because you think I'm trying to get money off it. That's not true. Ian, how big of a fan am I?
You're pretty obsessed.
It's too much. Boys, skate videos coming this summer, hopefully, if my knees heal. Beauty. Last up, boys. Follow me in. This is a poster. We're gonna frame it real quick so it looks real nice once I show it off.
Oh, you just have a stack of those
Don't
things?
show the room. The room's messy. Screw it. Show the room. Yeah, I got a few of these. This is in the old Supreme room, and it's cut. We got another one.
Oh, that one's worse.
Yeah, I forgot. We'll go with this one. Boys, it's framer up.
Didn't that one also get damaged in a filming?
Probably. My whole room did. He destroyed pretty much
I'd like to walk.
NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. What do we sell on there, Ian?
I don't remember.
A bunch of jewelry. Just like a bunch of really cheap jewelry. Everything's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping, and you can actually add 2 free items to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So don't add 1 thing, add 2 things. NameBranFam.com. What an awesome little leeway there. I didn't even think about sponsoring at this video. I'm gonna need you to grab one of these ends. Oh.
Okay. Whoa, that's not even close. Whoa. Okay, so much for just putting the original picture back.
Yeah, that sucks. Damn it, I wanted to put it up today. Anyway, boys, we also got this on the website. 25 bucks. Goes with the skateboard deck. What a nice size. That's dope. Revenge Tour. XXXTentacion official. Let's put the skate deck up. Boys, happy mail day. You know, this is just, what do you call these? A half ASS video. Those are usually the fun ones because I don't really care about getting the right shot. So, as you guys may or may not know, get a little pan around the room actually if you want to. As you guys may or may not know, I used to be a huge skateboard deck collector, huge skateboarder, until I like broke my knee or whatever and had surgery, or my meniscus, whatever. But I've got a lot of my skateboard collection in that closet. I've got one space for a skateboard right here, and I thought this right here, oh, show them where it is, would be the perfect place for this. Going with the red.
Oh,
that's.
You almost took out your Supreme table.
Going with the red in the room, bro. That looks sick,
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think that's the place for it.
Check this out. I just made this hanger at work back in the day when I worked.
Man, that was a long time ago now.
Now I'm looking at this. There's no holes in the thing.
Yeah, I think they figured that no one was actually going to use this.
What? Oh no, you gotta punch through. Oh dude, I was about to flip out. Quality on this one, yeah, this is garbage quality, boys. I'm sorry to say, but they literally just like put a sticker on this thing. It's not even printed on the deck. Right there. Pop her out. Now, all we have to do is punch through the grip tape. There we go. Nice. Beauty, boys.
Oh, there you go.
Flop.
I guess you just screwed X.
Bro.
I mean,
sorry, he passed away. People are gonna think that's funny. It was a good joke, but it's
oh,
okay. Really? Ian doesn't even know what he's talking about, right, Ian?
Yeah, I generally don't.
Beauty, look at that. Look at that. And then if I have another spot for this,
Hey,
the play button is somewhere else. What's up?
It's super crooked.
If I could find another spot for my play button, I bet this poster would look really dope. Yeah, buddy. Right there.
Oh, that is the spot for
no
that.
No kidding, eh?
That's the spot.
Now pat around the room. Just show them how that would look. Oh, play button's going in the drawer, boys. She's going away. She's going to storage. They don't even look nice anyway. They're a cool accomplishment, but they look kind of tacky. This right here. What a spot. Beauty, boys. There's our unboxing day video. Ian, appreciate you for coming and giving us some sort of content extra than unboxing a bunch of crap. I just don't like the way that they did this. It's really cheaply made, to be honest, boys, once you feel it. But it is official X-Mark, so I think that's really dope. Cool, man. Appreciate you for watching. Mark the Game Greatest Spot Time. Y'all the goats. Adam the Catman's coming over real soon, buddy. We're about to get DRUNK. Absolutely obliterated.
Yes.
Bye.